guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss. So yesterday was nomination special episode. What was very shocking that Swami Om gave away 10 lakh rupees from the winning amount to immune himself for 2 weeks. We have with us Arushi is gonna throw some light about it. What exactly happened and why did it happen?
So I think Bigg Boss was well aware that the contestants of the house will be nominating Swami Om for evictions this week. So he offered him the immunity. But what was more shocking was that he offered him that he cut 10 lakh rupees from the winning amount. Already the winning amount was cut short. It was cut short by 25 lakh rupees after Nitibha won the immunity. And now it is further reduced to just 15 lakh rupees. So this is like kind of disheartening for the contestants of the Bigg Boss house, since they'll be just fighting for 15 lakh rupees this season.
And what we also saw is that a new romance is, developing in the house. We cannot say romance, but then the housemates are, speculating that there is something going around between Nitibha and Manveer.
Yeah, even Mona Lisa went on and she even teased both of them and told Manveer that Nitibha is her bhabhi now. And it was kind of bit of the speculations are not that true, I suppose, because Nitibha was telling Manveer that how are these people portraying us in front of our parents who are seeing the show. I don't know Nitibha has that feelings for Manveer or not, but definitely the friendship is growing between them.
And the next point, which was very exciting, was finally Manoj Punjabi is back in the house, and what I really liked about his comeback is the first thing that he said on the show is the truth about his mother's demise. And we saw Priyanka being all emotional, holding up to him.
But if you have paid attention, that Priyanka Jaga has already started plotting those seeds in the mind of Manu Punjabi that Mona Lisa has already moved on and she is getting close to Gaurav, and now she is coming between Gaurav and Bani. So she has already started her work of bringing differences between Manoj Punjabi and Mona Lisa.
But isn't that true? Because we also saw during the nomination process that Gaurav was trying to support and save Mona Lisa as much as possible, and he was ready to give up his own immunity.
Yeah, and the same was seen from Mona Lisa's side from the past few days. Like she was constantly supporting Gaurav for immunity, for captaincy. She has been doing that from the first day, I suppose. And she is doing that even when Manoj Punjabi was in the house. So I don't know whether this is actually happening in the house or it is just Priyanka Jaga planting seeds in the mind of Manoj Punjabi. And tomorrow we'll see Mona Lisa and Gaurav Chopra in jacuzzi having a bath and sizzling, and the temperature of the house will be again soaring since Mona Lisa will be seen in a bikini. Let's see what happens next in the Bigg Boss house. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.